Hi there. So today in this video we're gonna we're gonna add subtitles. So here we've added a pictures. Okay, we've added pictures. Now I'm gonna add subtitles. I'm gonna change these subtitles. And the way you do that is very simple. You want to create another array of strings. So I'm gonna go up here and I'm gonna call this I'm gonna call it my subtitles. I'm going to create an array of subtitles, and this will obviously be of type string, and we're going to add a few subtitles. I'm going to add 6 subtitles here. I'm going to say this is an apple, this is a watermelon, this is a pineapple, sorry about that, and this is a lemon, this is a lime, this is an orange. All right, perfect. So we've got 6 new strings here, and this is going to be our subtitles. Now to add them to the subtitle heading, all you have to do is go in here and call up the subtitle property within my cell. So we've called up the text label here to put in the original apple, orange, watermelon. We're going to call up the subtitle, and the way you do that is you call up your original cell. So in my case it's called my cell dot, and the subtitle is called detailed text label, and Xcode gives you a description here. It's called returns the secondary label. The secondary label in Xcode is what we know as the subtitle. So detailed text label dot text, and we're gonna say my subtitles, and we're gonna say index path dot row, and this should work. So if we go ahead and run the app, it should say this is an apple, this is an orange, this is a watermelon, this is a pineapple, this is a lemon, and this is a lime. Of course, my subtitles are repeated here because this is a multi-dimensional array. I should have actually created more, another array to kind of fill this in. So this is a little sloppy, but that's how you add subtitles in short. Thank you for watching.